ReadAloud is a very popular plugin. It's one of the most used by our users. So here we have it. This is one reading exercise. So we have 3 modes, but you can add the 4th one called shadowing. So they listen to a text. That is the first time that they are going to interact with the text.
In a forest there lived a lion. He had grown old and could not run fast anymore.
As you can see, the text that they are reading is being highlighted so that the student can follow the reading exercise, and then they will practice sentence by sentence in the following way.
In a forest there lived a lion.
In a forest there was a lion. So, as you can see, like automatically, instantaneously, the student will receive feedback on his pronunciation, and then he can listen to what he said or just do it again. In a forest there lived a lion.
He had grown
There you
old
go.
and could not run fast anymore.
That's the magic in ReadAloud. And in the last exercise, he will read it entirely. In a forest there lived a lion. He had grown old and could not run fast anymore. So when they finish, they just click here and then they check for their results. Let's take a look at one example. So WPM, it's words per minute, accuracy and the grade. So let's take a look at this one. You can listen to your student.
In a forest there lived a lion.
And in this case, the recording was only for the first part because the student didn't finish the exercise. And then if the teacher establishes that there is a mistake, let's say this word was pronounced incorrectly, then he can click on it and maybe lion was pronounced properly. So you just click on that to give it a more specific feedback to the student. So you just save and exit the exercise. And that's ReadAloud.
Poodle, empowering teachers and transforming language learning. Get started today.